I use an Everlast Powertig 200Dv. I have owned this machine for very close to about 3 years. It has been a great unit for me. I haven't had any issues other than just the basics. So I had the pedal go bad about a year ago, so I ended up replacing it. I ended up upgrading to this SSC pedal. It has been working amazing for me. Haven't had any issues at all. The other thing that I am actually about to replace right now, and I wanted to show you guys, was my torch. Unfortunately, this torch ended up ripping right here, and I've been having to put like tape and stuff just to kind of make it work. But at this point, it's just getting too much out of hand. So I was like, nah, it's time to try something new. I went to CK and I ended up ordering a kit. This is a replacement kit for the one that I have right now, basically. So these units, they come with this kind of plug, and then they come with that little extra quick release that goes on the side. So this one goes right here, and it's like a quick, all you gotta do is push it in, and then of course you lock this in. Well, this is the adapter from CK. The part number is SL2-35QD. All right, and I'm gonna open it up right now. I'll show you guys. And basically what it is it's just the plug that you need, you know, same thing as what it comes. And then you also have the quick release, which it goes right here, just like that. And then of course you plug this in on this side, and then of course you're gonna have to run your hoses and do all this stuff. You know, you're gonna have to run your torch, but you are going to need an adapter. So this is the adapter that you are going to need from CK. All right. You're also gonna need, of course, the torch. So super excited about this. I feel like this is gonna make my life easier. So right off the bat, the first thing that I notice is that the hose itself, the hose is really flexible. It's really nice and flexible. I mean, this is awesome. Look how flexible this thing is. So that's very first thing that I noticed. This one is really bulky, and it's really hard to kind of maneuver around. Sometimes it gets in the way, and etc., etc. Super cool. All right, that's one thing. Of course, the swivel head, as you guys can see, it swivels. It swivels. I like it. I think it's sick. I cannot wait to try it. I feel like this is gonna make my life easier. I'm also gonna give you guys the part number for the torch. All right, the part number for this torch is FL1512SF. All right, fellas, so the first thing that we are obviously gonna do is go ahead and remove the old torch. So obviously, remove the quick release, turn this thing to the side, and then we're just gonna take this whole entire thing out of here for now. I'm gonna remove this piece. I'm gonna put it on the side for now. And then right here is gonna tell you to press here. So you literally just press it, and this cap is gonna come off. All right. Now, if you guys can see, in the end of your new torch hose or new torch, whatever you want to call it, there is this piece. So you're gonna slide it through here, and then you want to go ahead and thread it in there. But before you do that, my recommendation is that you get yourself some of this locking tape. I'm sure I'm calling it the wrong thing. Latino problems. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong or saying the wrong shit. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to put some of this little tape around the thread, just to make sure that you don't have any leaks once it's all said and done. Get yourself an adjustable wrench so that you can lock this piece into place. Be gentle, don't drop it, because this is very important. So use the adjustable just to kind of lock it into place, and then gently, tight. Don't go stripping this shit either. Blame it on me, talking about, hey Miguel, told me to go pedal to the fucking metal. No, I didn't. Now that you have that piece on there, nice and tight, the next thing that you're gonna do is put it back in here. Make sure that you put it the same way. Put it the same way you found it. I don't know which way I found it. Here we go. And we take this little cover and we put it back in. Like so. Boom. Maybe. Let's go. Flush. Now we're going to put this piece back in here. Like so. Nice hand tight. Now, you're going to insert it. You're going to penetrate. Done, son. And you're going to take a quick release and go. Power! And just like that, fellas, we have a working torch. Now, of course, the most important part is to get your fupa cup now. All right, fellas, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. I am using, in case you guys are wondering, I'm using the strictly modified French plugs. He also offers V-bend plugs like this that are just completely amazing. Very nice and very consistent. I like it. Dude, I love this. So this is the first weld of the day, and then the first time me actually trying out that Cktorch. I think it's definitely worth it. Man, listen, this is a game changer for me.